Okay, so this is how you put 4 flyers on one piece of paper so that you can maximize your resources. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to create a design, and flyer is going to work for this. You're going to want to create 2 separate documents of flyer. So one is going to be for all 4 flyers, and the other one is going to be to make the actual flyer, because it doesn't matter the size of the actual flyer as far as designing it beforehand, because you're going to resize it once you get it to the actual paper. But make your flyer, and then once you're done, go ahead and click on share, download, and then select either PNG or JPEG because you need it to be an image. Because once you download it, you're going to go here and you're going to go to uploads and you're going to upload the file. I uploaded it, and it only accepts images in this section, I believe, because I couldn't do it when I had a PDF, so I had to do it as a JPEG or a PNG. And so once it's here, you can upload the flyer you just made as an image, and then you can resize it. Okay, and so the easiest way I found to make this the right size is by going to elements and putting 2 dotted lines. This also makes it easier for cutting when you actually print the paper out, because you're going to want to cut them in 4s. And so you're going to want to go to position, put the degrees at 90, and that'll put this line in a vertical position so that you can make sure it's even. And once that's there, then you don't have to worry about the sizing as much, because you can just put it to about there, and then you know that it's going to fit. So once it's the right size that you want, you can copy, you can paste, and then you can drag all 4 of them with ease. I personally like a little bit of white space, but if you want to drag it all the way to the dotted line, you can do so. It still works, because if you zoom in right here and you click on it, you can still go all the way to the dotted line. I just think it's a little bit jumbled when you have it all together like that. I like a little bit of gaps. It adds to it, especially with this one, because I printed this one before, and the little white borders make it look kind of cool. So, but yeah, once you have it to your liking, then all you need to do is go back to share, download, and this time you want to switch it to PDF standard or PDF print, whichever one suits your needs and your printer. And then you download it and print it like you would any other piece of paper. But this is a workaround for those of you that don't have Word, or if you just don't like to use Word, because you can do it all in this platform. And I feel like doing it in one place is a lot simpler than moving it from here to Word. Saves time, energy, and you don't need to have Word downloaded. You can do it on any computer that has the internet connection, because you can open up Canva anywhere. But other than that, if y'all have any questions, leave a comment. I'll directly message you if y'all need any help. But other than that, peace out.